We're at the tail end of a seller's market, if you will. And if you'd watched any of our previous market updates, I'd said that first half of this year, we're expecting it to kind of resonate with last year. And then likely by summer, we could start to see some sales volumes increasing if, of course, interest rates continue to go down. Next thing to look at is just total pendings. Pendings finished at 213. That was up slightly, about 12% over last year. It tells us that March and April are likely to be pretty influential months in the market. We do expect sales volumes to increase over last month and the month prior. Looking at inventory right now, we're sitting at 724. Now this is interesting. We're only, maybe 30, 40 homes for sale more than we were last year at this time. So our inventories are still pretty lean, more so than we really want to see. And it's showing up in a couple different places. One is in our absorption rate. Right now, we're averaging about a 3.6 month supply of homes for sale. It means we're at the tail end of a seller's market, if you will. And right now, we're hoping to see more inventory coming to market in the coming months, but we'll have to wait to see with the economy and things like that, if we're gonna see that inventory we're expecting. If not, if interest rates go down and buyer demand jumps up, we could expect to see pricing moving up too. So again, something that we'll have to watch for. Next thing to look at is just days on market. Days on market's also extending a little bit. Right now, the average home is taking about 2 weeks longer to sell than it did last year. So right now we're averaging about 104 days for when a home is listed for sale to the point at when it actually closes escrow. Followed up by the real estate heartbeat right now is really the price point between 300,000 and 500,000. It tends to be where the market has the greatest amount of volume right now. And of course, that means that if you're participating in the housing market right now, if you're priced below 500,000, you're probably gonna feel a lot of interest and activity in your home. Homes that are priced above that, market times tends to extend a little bit longer. Showings begin to back off a little bit.